Hey guys, this is Veera. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you 8 reasons why you should read books, and also I'll tell you how and when I got inspired to read books. So let's get started. First point, reading books is an exercise for your brain. It keeps your neurons healthy. If a child reads books in his early age, he develops better cognitive areas of his brain than the ones who don't read. Also, if a person reads books till his old age, he has better mental health than the person who doesn't read. Second point, reading books can develop your focus and concentration. It also develops your retention. When you read a book, you recognize the letter. You analyze what's written and then sum up all of them to understand the meaning. And this is a lengthy process that your brain undergoes repeatedly, and this is how your focus increases. The third point, reading releases your stress a lot. You will never feel alone with a book in your hand. Fourth point, it improves your imaginative power because when you read something, you try to imagine it. Fifth point, reading books makes us wiser. It gives us immense knowledge, and your knowledge is the real property that nobody can take away from you. The sixth point, we also get life lessons by reading biographies of great people. For example, if we read biography of Rabindranath Tagore, we feel motivated by seeing that in spite of so many setbacks in his life, he excelled in his field. Seventh point, books can entirely change your mentality. It changes your thinking pattern, and in turn, your life changes. You will start feeling that your life is in your control. After reading 2 to 3 books, you will find yourself a completely different person. Sometimes, reading one book can change your life. Eighth point, books undoubtedly improves your vocabulary. This can be easily depicted by the example of Dr. Shashi Tharoor. You must listen to his speeches to see what level of English proficiency he has. In one of his interviews, he mentioned that on his 15th birthday, he had set a goal to read 365 books in 365 days. And he did that. So now I'm going to tell you how and when I got inspired to read books. Once I was watching the interview of IAS Seena Dabi. For those who don't know, let me tell you, she was the topper of UPSC Civil Services examinations in 2015. In her interview, she mentioned that she loves reading and she had a very diverse reading since childhood. Inspired by her, I too decided to read books. After further research, I found that all the great men of all the time, every successful person is a reader. For example, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and the list is so long. Let me tell you about Warren Buffett. He reads 500 pages daily. Once somebody asked him about the keys to success, he said, read 500 pages every day. This is how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. All of you can do it, but I guarantee not many of you will do it. Let me tell you about Bill Gates. He reads 50 books per year. That's around 1 book per week. He also has a website called gatesnotes.com where he shares his book reviews and suggestions. I just want to say that if these busiest people can read book, why can't we? Trust me, reading 1 book per week can change your life drastically. Look, it's my own observation. I have never seen a person who reads and is not successful. Books are the easiest way to get insight of all the great men of all the times whom we cannot meet directly. The cookie is kept right in front of you. It solely depends on you whether you grab it or not. There also goes a very famous saying, readers are leaders. Most importantly, of course, it's about what book you read, but it's more important that what you do after you close the book. So this was the end of the video. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.